The rate hike possibility from the Fed pushed pressure on the gold price, influencing the gold USD price to close with a strong bearish month. The 14-day RSI shows a strong downside pressure as the current price trades at the oversold zone. A massive bearish candle is visible on the weekly chart, whereas the current monthly close came with a strong bearish continuation. In the daily chart, downside pressure is potent from the existing impulsive trend, while the 20-day EMA is above the current price with a downward slope. In this context, the bearish possibility is potent, where the main aim is to test the 1809 support level. Moreover, a bearish pressure below this level could see the 1800 critical level. On the contrary, a bullish recovery with a daily candle above the 1884 level could eliminate the bearish pressure at any time.